of the parents and coaches or non-playing athletes dili pa inyong category karon, please step away from the staging area or else we will be forced to disqualify your team. This will result to the disqualification of your team if you will not cooperate. Hawani ang staging area.
Again, 8 to 9 years old Foundation Kumite Female, please proceed to Tatami 4. 8 to 9 years old Advanced Kumite Female.
Calling the attention of 14 to 15 years old intermediate Katamil awardees. Please proceed to the awarding area now. 14 to 15 years old intermediate Katamil awardees. The awarding area now. Thank you. To 17 years old advanced Katamil players proceed now to Tatami 3. Again, 16 to 17 years old advanced Katamil players, Tatami 3. Go, go, go. Last call, Ramirez Criswen Aka from AAK Bayawan. Proceed to Tatami 1 now. This is for 16 to 17 years old intermediate Katamil category.
Okay, monitors for the staging area and tatami monitors, please coordinate properly and make your task fast. Do your jobs quickly because we are 2 hours behind schedule.
Calling the attention of 10 to 11 years old advanced female Kumite players.
Once again, we would like to reiterate, please vacate the area for staging area if you are non-athletes. Meaning, parents and audience, do not stay inside the staging area. Once again ha, para di ta mauwawan, di ta mo ipaguyod o gwardya, hawani na diha. Ayaw mong tongtong diha sa staging area.
All players from different categories who have finished their bout, please proceed to the awarding area. Repeat, all players who have finished in their respective categories, please proceed now to the awarding area to receive your medals.
Calling 12 to 15 years old Team Kata Female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. AOK Shitorio, Kuntao Team 1, Kuntao Team 2, Kuntao Team 3, and Kuntao Team 4. Again, 12 to 15 years old Team Kata Female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. AOK Shitorio, Kuntao Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, and Team 4. Thank you.
Hello. Calling the attention of 18 years old and above intermediate kata male. Players under 18 years old and above intermediate kata male category, please proceed now to tatami 3 immediately. Again, 18 years old and above intermediate kata male players, tatami 3 now. Thank you.
First call, Base Pauline Amira from Kuntao, Aka. Second call, Base Pauline Amira, Kuntao, Aka. Third and last call, Base Pauline Amira, Kuntao, Aka. Wala. Proceed. Kelp. Prepare Lurag from JKA Philippines, Aka versus Brutas Precious Kyle, AUK Cebu.
Last call, 12 to 15 years old Team Kata Female. Kuntao Team 1, 2, 3, and 4. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, last call, 12 to 15 years Team Kata Female. Kuntao Team 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Lorag Kylie Anyan from JKA Philippines. Third call. Lorag Kylie Anyan from JKA Philippines. Very last call for JKA Philippines. Lorag Kylie Anyan. Present? Wala.
Kanang players nga natawag ha, basig mo blame na sad mo nga nadikyo inyohang kuan players diha. Coaches, please be attentive and players also be attentive. Okay?
Lorag Kylie Anyan, JKA Philippines. Coach, please confirm if the athlete is present. Coach of JKA Philippines.
Kaway-kaway lang kung naa diha ang coach. And let us know kung present ang bata or not.
After this bout, please prepare Macapobre Maria Elijah Cuntao versus Lucero Zora Tinet from VCSKC. After this bout, please prepare Macapobre Maria Elijah from Cuntao versus Lucero Zora Tinet Au from VCSKC. Coach of Lorag Kylie Anyan. First call, coach of JKA Philippines Talangban, Lorag Kylie Anyan. After this bout, should the player fail to proceed to the mat after the third call, the player will be disqualified. Coaches, please be more attentive to your players. After this bout, prepare Macapobre versus Lucero.
Proceed to the staging area now. 12 to 15 years old, Team Kata male players. Staging area now. Puntao Team 2, Ancahas, Otero Gonzaga. Team AUK Cebu, Arpon Batayola sa Bikil. Team Kuntao Team 1, Monares Amistoso. And Team CITU Cartito Club, Akabat, Ansinco and Dumagit.
Team Kata.
Okay. Once again ha, parents, you are so stubborn. Kamog hapoy nagstay diha, nag-crowd mo sa staging area. Last na lang yun nga warning. Please vacate that area. That is only intended for the players who are about to play or who are about to be on the tatami. Staging na on deck na diha. So palihog. Staging area na hawani og di kay mo mohawan diha. Dikyo gina yung mga bata diha.
Sensei. Go, there, up
Di gapon kasabot o nag-standby gapon diha sa staging area.
After this bout, prepare Macapobre Maria Elijah from Cuntao versus Lucero Zora Tinet from BCSKC.
Mapugos gid mig pakuhag gwardiya diha ha. ipatulog yun mas gwardiya diha, mga maman sir. Di gihapon mo kasabot, murag wa ta, di ta magdungog ani. Mura ra gyud wa, pasaylo ako ha. Pasaylo ako daan.
Base. Kelp. Where? Kelp. Okay. Base and Kelp. Ligawas. Wala pa. After this bout, prepare Lurag versus Brutas.
Calling the attention of 16 to 17 years old beginners Katamel awardees. Proceed to the awarding area now. As well as 16 to 17 years old advanced Kata female awardees, 14 to 15 years old intermediate Kata male awardees, and 14 to 15 years old advanced Kata male awardees. Proceed to the awarding area now. Thank you.
Calling Navidad Zian Ross from JKS Phil CV. Last call, please proceed to Tatami 3 now. Navidad Zian Ross, JKS Phil CV. Please to Tatami 3 now. Calling also De Leon Johan Kiro from SSK. Again, De Leon Johan Kiro from SSKI, Tagbilaran City. Please proceed to Tatami 3 now.
Okay, parents ha, na may security, ipadala diya sa staging area. Di gapon mo cooperate, DQ na mo na inyong mga bata. Sige. O di mo kabaw, mo hawa diha, gawa sa staging area.
Makapobre Lucero. Makapobre Aka Lucero you're out.
Please raise your hand, Navidad Zian Ross from JKS Philippines CV.
Nangayo ramis inyong kooperasyon aron mudagan og tarong atong duwa. 9 PM ra kutob ang mall unya daghan kay tag entries and 2 hours delayed ta. So please parents, we need your full cooperation on this matter. Step away from the staging area, please. Balhin lang mo na malihog mi. Sabtanay ta. Pangita lang mo laing area nga makalili mo sa duwa. Mura na tagbungol ani, klaro kay dako kay microphone, dako kay sound system. Ipakita sa inyong mga anak that you are worthy of kanang emulating mga models mo nila sa inyong mga bata. Ang karate should be disciplined ang mga tao. So kamo parents mo sa inyong mga bata, labaw na tamong disiplinado.
After this bout, prepare Lurag Aka from JK versus Brutas from AUK.
Leon
Calling
Lope.
Yun, una. Calling the attention of
Standby Lucero from BCSKC Tumakay from USJRKC ACA versus Dinoy Precious from Dojo 1
Navidad. Calling Navidad. Please proceed to tatami 3 now.
So, second is
Calling the attention of Navidad Zian Ross and Albores James Dial. Please proceed to tatami 3 now. Navidad Zian Albores James Dial. Last call.
16 to 17 years old intermediate kata male awardees. Proceed to the awarding area now. Again, 16 to 17 years old intermediate kata male awardees to the awarding area now. Non-players and parents vacate the awarding podium. Vacate the awarding podium. I repeat, non-players, please vacate the awarding podium. Vacate. Vacate the awarding podium. Thank you.
proceed to the mats, Lorag versus Brutas. After this category, please prepare Tumakay Aka versus Dinoy Precious from Dojo 1.
Last call, Navidad from JKSCV. Last call. Please proceed to tatami 3 now.
Lim Ayesha. please prepare. Sanchez Clarent Aka from Kuntao versus Bonghanoy Anika from Warriors Karate Team. Beijing Lumactud, Lim Ayel Ariasha Champs.
Please prepare Catalan and Albores. You're after this match. Calling all 8 to 9 years old beginners Kumite female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Lang Crystal and Derby Shari Kabatingan Sofia Brutas Francesca Quest Joanna Katipan Lucia and Sipido Hanela Moreno Julia Rico Fuerto Az Arunia Ella Batayola Mia Fajardo Corsino Pia Huesca Ay. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, 8 to 9 years old, beginners Kumite female. Thank you.
After this bout, prepare Lumactod Arlana Nicole from JK Philippines Aka versus Lim Aresha Chams from AUK Cebu Ao. Standby Sanchez Clarence Sofia from Kuntao versus Bonghanoy Anika from Warriors Karate Team Ao.
Now calling the attention, Tagle Henley from JKA NKK Philippines, Aka. Makalipay Gerson from AUK Cebu, Aka. Please proceed to Tatami 1 now. Thank you.
Calling the players of 7 years old and below, beginners Kumite. Dingding Kalitea, Buktuanon Salina Daniel Sapphire. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, 7 years old and below, beginners Kumite female. Dingding Kalitea from Kuntao, Buktuanon from JKA Fields Minglanilla, Daniel Sapphire from Dumkar JKH. Calling also the players of 8 to 9 years old beginners Kumite female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Lang Crystal.
Winner Aka. Next, proceed to Tatami 4. Lumactod Arlana Nicole from JKA NKK Philippines versus Lim Aresha Chans.
Lang Crystal Hope.
After this bout, prepare Maliones Samantha from AKC Maasin versus Talio Cassandra from AOK Shituri.
And Derby Shari Kabatingan Sofia, Brutas Francesca, Quest Joanna Steffi, Katipan Lucia.
Beijing Sanchez Clarence Sofia of Kuntao Aka, Bonghanoy Anika Sage, Warriors Karate Team Ao. Again, Sanchez Clarence Sofia of Kuntao, please proceed to Tatami 4.
Again, calling 8 to 9 years old beginners Kumite female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Moreno Julia, Rico Fuerto Az, Arunia Ella, Batayola Mia, Fajardo, Diangelic, Corsino Pia, and Huesca Aileen. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now.
For next bout, Malones Samantha Hyacinth AKC Maasin versus Talio Cassandra of AOK Shitorio Ao.
players. Aka, Kuntao Team 2, Ancajas Otero Gonzaga. Aka, Kuntao Team 1, Munares Amistoso. And AO, CITU Karate Do Club, Acaba, Tansinco, and Dumagit. Please proceed to Tatami 3 now. Thank you. Proceed to Tatami 1 now. Ao, Kuntao, Maglasang, Verano, and Agunias. Please proceed to staging area now.
Kuntao coach, please proceed to tatami 4. Kuntao coach, please proceed to tatami 4. Next, Malones Samantha Hyacinth AKC Maasin versus Talio Cassandra AOK Chitorio. For next bout, Sanchez Clarence Sofia of Kuntao versus Bonganoy Anika Sage of Warriors Karate Team. Second call for Sanchez Clarence Sofia of Kuntao. Bonghanoy Anika. Next, Sanchez Clarence Sofia versus Bonghanoy Anika Sage. Next bout, Dalde Jace of USJRKC and Larobes Bell. Please prepare. Kel, Kaden, Chantel, Elaine, Aka, Brutas Precious Kyle, AUK, Cebu, Al, Lucero, Zora, Tienet, BCSKC, Aka, Tumakay, Maria Francesca, Carly, Au, Malones, Samantha Hyacinth, AKC, Maasin, Aka, Lumakad, Arlana Nicole, JKA, Philippines, Au. Chris Bell. Next, in the mat, Kel, Caden Chantal Elaine versus Brutas, Precious Kyle of AUK Cebu.
Calling Quest Joanna Steffi from AAK Sikihor. Quest Joanna Steffi from AAK Sikihor. 8 to 9 years old, beginners committee female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, calling Quest Joanna Steffi from AAK Sikihor.
Bonghanoy Aka, versus Dalde Au. Bong Hanoy. Please prepare for the next bout. Brutas Precious Kyle, AUK Cebu Aka, Tumakay Maria Francesca, Carly Au. Foundation Kumita Female, Epe Kiera Luis, JKS Philippines CV Aka, Balindres Ariela Danielle, JKS Philippines AO, Siashon Janelle Riley, JKS Philippines CV Aka, Traya Alondra, Dojo 1 Cebu, JKA Philippines AO, Na Vasquez Janine, JKS Philippines CV Aka, Sundo Lian Merese, ESKE KSA JKS AO, Alivio Samantha Kane, Esprit Bugo Martial Arts Aka, and Mangkikis Akemi Dojo 1 Cebu JKA Philippines AO. Please proceed to Tatami 4.
Calling the attention, 18 years old and above intermediate kata male players, proceed to tatami 3 now. Repeat, 18 years old and above intermediate kata male players, proceed to tatami 3 now.
Hello. 8 to 9 years old advanced Kumite female, Turingan Isabel Luis, ASKS JKS Cebu Aka, Rabin Amela Christie, Kuntao Ao. Next, Brutas Aka, Tumakay Ao. Again, 8 to 9 years old advanced Kumite female proceed to the staging area. Turingan Isabel Luis, ASKS JKS Cebu Aka, Rabin Amila Christie, Kuntao Ao, Paloma Maria Athena, AUK Cebu Aka, Lianto Airi, Dojo 1 Cebu JKA Philippines Ao, Molina Azalea Lirain, AKC Maasin Aka, Cortez Princess Arti, Kuntao Ao, Traya Zar of Warriors Karate Team Aka, Regis Eres Chloe, Kuntao Ao, Alcoseba Eunice May, OSSK TK Aka, Danielle Velvet Varay, Jax Bacaro of Dungkay JKH Ao, Conjit Jillian Chelsea of Kuntao Aka, the Lugdog Shia Lin of CIT University Karate Club Ao,